Hey, Doreen.
Hi, Jason.
How's the exhibition going?
The exhibition is really wonderful. A lot of customers come to visit us.
Great. Oh, I see you have a cool product here. What can this machine be used for?
Yeah, this machine is our pin mill, and you can apply it in many industries, such as food, biotechnology, and also pharmaceuticals. The most raw materials including spices, seasonings, sugar, and salt. And this is a multi-use grinding machine.
Oh, but with so many ingredients to process, how many people do I need to operate this machine?
If possible, we suggest 2 operators, especially with the turkey systems equipped with a PLC or HMI electronic control systems. Those machines, including the functions such as formula memorization and recording, automatic error detection, and on-site troubleshooting.
Okay. Is it easy to disassemble and clean after use?
Well, it is easy to disassemble and also cleaning. You see, for this one, I can use one hand and turn on our champion, and you can use the tool to take out the stator and the rotors and clean it by waters. And you can use the water and detergents from the feeding hopper to the school feeding and the champion and discharge. It is easy to clean and maintain it.
Wow, it's much more user-friendly than I thought. Well,
Yes.
good luck with the rest of the show.
Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.